In this video, we're going to show you how you can get approved for a $50,000 personal loan at Atlantic Union Bank.
Okay, money magnets, let's dive into what products this bank has to offer. The first card is the Platinum card. Now, with this particular card, it gives you 0% interest for the first 18 months. I love that. With this particular card, you can wait 18 months before you do your balance transfer at 0% interest. That right there can most definitely be a cash flow changer for you. Also, this card has a no annual fee, and you know how I feel about not paying to have the card in your wallet. That right there is really good. And this card also has extended pay. So if you have a large purchase that you want to make, guess what? You can plan your payments on this. So you'll have a set payment and you pay no interest on it. Okay, so Marvin, let's dive in and see what other cards that they have to offer.
All right, guys, I want to make sure you like and share this video with someone that can use it. Also, guys, if you have any experience with Atlantic Union Bank, make sure you comment below. Gloria, let's jump into the everyday rewards card. All right, with this card, you can earn 4 times the points and 15,000 bonus points when you spend $500 in the first 90 days. And that equals about $150 in real money. And then you can get 2 times the points at grocery stores, gas stations, EV charging, and some streaming services. You also get 4 times the points on dining, takeout, and restaurant delivery. And you get 1 times the points on all other eligible purchases. But let me not forget to tell you, you also get 0% for 6 months, and you get that entire 6 months where you can balance transfer. And guys, if you're looking to raise up to $250,000 for your business, Gloria and I offer a free business strategy call. Make sure you look in the description below. And Gloria, with these cards, from what I did on our research, you can get up to $25,000 or $30,000 on the limit, but that depends on your credit. But Gloria, let's tell them about the next card.
Okay, Marvin, let's tell them about the next card, which is the Max Cash Preferred card. Now, with this card, it does have some nice perks, and I'm loving it.
Yeah.
So you get 5% cash back in 2 categories of your choice. And when you spend the first $2,000 combined purchase each quarter. Now, this card also gives you 2% cash back on everyday categories of your choice. It also gives you 1% cash back on all other eligible purchases. Now, this card also gives you 0% interest for the first 12 billing cycles, and you have the whole 12 months to make that balance transfer at 0%, okay? I also love that this card doesn't have an annual fee, so you get all of these perks on this particular card. So money magnets, this is one I most definitely would want to look at. Marvin, let's see what other cards they have.
All right, if you guys are looking to earn points to travel, you're gonna love this travel rewards card. With this card, you get 4 times the points on eligible travel and more, and you'll receive 25,000 bonus points, which is worth about $250 when you spend $2,000 in the first 120 days. Okay, you get 1.5 times the points on all other eligible purchases. Now, this is the part I really love. You get airport lounge access. Like when you're in the airport, your flight gets delayed, or you forget to eat early in the morning and you want to get a snack, the airport lounges are great. And you get 0% for 12 months, and you get the entire year where you're able to transfer a high balance. Guys, think about this if you strategize this right. You could be at the end of a 0% for 12 months on another card. To avoid that high interest after the introductory period, look at getting one of these cards. They have a 0 annual fee, and you get an additional year. If you structure this right, that's like 2 years without paying any interest. But Gloria, let's tell them about the Reserve Rewards card.
Okay, Marvin, with this card, you know, it's a black card, and you know how I feel about having that color black in my wallet, money magnets. This card does come with a $390 annual fee, which it's a premium card, money magnet. So you have to look at the benefits that you're going to receive with it. This card gives you 50,000 bonus points. That is worth $500 when you spend $4,500 in the first 90 days. Now that means that you may have a limit that's there to be able to spend that $4,500, okay? This card also has 6 times the points when you book your travel in their reward center. So you can't go to delta.com and book it. You have to book right in their reward center, Money Magnets. You also get 2 times the points on all other eligible purchases,
Right.
as well as you get the airport lounge access. You know how I love kicking my feet up when Marvin and I are waiting on our flight. Marvin, let's see what else they have to offer.
All right, with this card, guys, I want to say congratulations to our daughter, Hannah. She's getting ready to graduate college
Yes.
this weekend. And this is a good card to teach your kids about how to manage money in college. It's called the College Real Rewards card. With this card, you can earn 1.5 times the points for every dollar you spend on eligible purchases, and they get 2,500 bonus points on their first purchase. Next, they get 0% for 6 months. So for the first 6 months, they don't have to pay any interest. And this can really teach them how to be responsible with their purchases without losing money, and with you teaching them how to be independent. But Glory, let's dive into this $50,000 personal loan.
Okay, Money Magnets. Now we're talking $50,000. Now with this particular loan, you get a quick response, and you can get up to $50,000 on the loan or the line of credit. So they have both of them accessible to you.
And look, guys, remember, you can get a small amount or you can apply for the entire $50,000. You know, if you don't want to do any docs, I would stay below $50,000. But if they ask for docs, guys, we want to be prepared with our proof of income. Make sure you got your last 2 pay stubs and your last 3 months bank statements where you actually deposit your check. And remember, if you open a checking account with them and you do automatic payments, they will give you a discount on the interest rate. And the interest rate will be dependent on your credit score. And based on our research, they pull Equifax for the personal line of credit or the loan. And guys, I would have my score at over 700. But Glory, let's tell them about the auto loan as well.
Now, Marvin, with this auto loan, it goes up to 72 months for a new auto, okay? You can get pre-approved for this before you even go to the bank.
Right.
I love that, Marvin. So we always tell you, Money Magnets, don't go to the dealership looking for money to purchase a car. You want to go to the bank or the credit union and already know, that you approved for an amount of a car that you're trying to purchase.
And if you want to avoid all of those inquiries, we just talked to somebody the other day. They had about 13 inquiries because they went to a car lot. Guys, remember, get approved at the bank first, have your money, then go to the car lot. Now you're looking at 1 inquiry versus having to do credit repair to remove those inquiries. But Gloria, let's jump into the home equity loans. What I liked about this bank, they have a home equity line of credit and they have a home equity loan. So both of them you can actually choose from. Then they had an additional one called the Star Home Equity Loan, where you can borrow up to $50,000. Now, this is great if you want to consolidate credit card debt, lower your utilization so that your scores go up. But Gloria, they had one additional loan I was really intrigued about for those of you who may want to build a home.
Okay, Money Magnets, if you're looking to buy land or build a brand new home, this right here could be a cash flow changer for you because they have low rates with their land loans, as well as residential lots, and you can acquire undeveloped land. So that right there is really, really good.
And keep in mind, this is a regional bank. They're mostly based in Maryland, Virginia, and North Carolina. Okay. But the great thing about them, their credit cards, anyone can apply from any state. But Gloria, let's not forget to tell them about the first-time homebuyer program they have.
Now, they do have a first-time home buyers program. So, Money Magnets, if you've never purchased a home and you're looking to purchase your first home, this right here is a good program for you to look at. This bank right here is one that you don't want to sleep on.
And remember, for the credit cards, they may pull TransUnion. For any personal loan, line of credit, or car, they're going to look at Equifax.
And they also have a loan calculator. And you want to keep in mind, if you open up a checking account and build a relationship with this bank and have like automatic payments taken out of whatever product that you get a discount. That right there can make a difference in your cash flow.
In addition, guys, make sure you have no freezes or fraud alerts on your credit when you go to apply. I will make sure my scores are over 700 on Equifax, TransUnion. You might as well say Experian too if you're applying for a house. Make sure you got less than 3 inquiries on each bureau to give you the best chances of having the highest limits.
Hold up, Marvin. I have a gem.
All right, what you got?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you're looking for another bank that has $50,000 limits, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.